That one's tight. Yeah, we just need the other one and she'll be good to go. What's up, you guys? Charlie here from MAPerformance, and in today's episode of the Ultimate Evo 10 build, we're going to be going ahead and putting on a brand new product that we've manufactured here right at MAP. It is our Evo 10 Heat Shield, the Revision 2, or Rev 2 as we like to call it. However, we're also going to be going ahead and putting on our MAPerformance 3-inch intake for this car. As you guys know, we've been running the ETS intake for a little while now to test it out. And I think I'm ready to go ahead and make this car a full-on MAP car. So we're gonna be getting rid of the ETS parts, although they've been enjoyable. So without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get in and let Tiny start installing it. If you guys wanna see more about the product announcements for this Evo 10 Heat Shield, check out the video linked up below, because we made a whole video just around releasing this product. So we'll get right into it. My back hurts. All right, you guys, so Tiny's he was bleeding the brakes, doing some different R&D stuff. So he actually already went ahead and took the actual intake itself out. So all I gotta do to get our MAPerformance intake onto this car is to remove these ETS piping and couplers, so the silicone hoses and the coupler there. And then I'll be able to go ahead and put our MAPerformance intake on, and it'll be 100% a MAP car at this point. So we're gonna go ahead and get started on that. I need the short one. Also, quick question for you guys. If we were to make this out of carbon fiber, because you can no longer get the password JDM one, would you buy it? Let me know down in the comments below. I really want one and I can't find one, and I'm not gonna buy one used, so I told Dalen to make one. Would you guys want it? I do, so. ETS, I love you. This is a MAP car, so MAP parts. All right, guys, now this is slicker than shit. I left everything all pretty much assembled from when I took this off the car a few months ago. So now putting these parts on the car is gonna be a breeze. Tiny, do you not have the e-brake pulled in this car right now? Yeah, that'd be tight if you could. You know what? I wonder if we got one of these matching clamps, because it's one of those detail things, you know what I'm saying? It's all in the details. The details. And this is why you save all your things like a hoarder, so that you just got millions of clamps and bolts laying around that you can utilize at some point. Like we said, she ain't going nowhere. It's only like the 5th time we've put an intake on the car. I can do it this time though. You'll be proud, Dad. The content was unreal. That one's tight. Yeah, we just need the other one and she'll be good to go.
You want a intake?
Yeah, it sounds just like an elephant. All right, you guys, so as you can see, we just got the MAP intake installed, and I gotta be completely honest with you, it looks really good having all these MAP parts under the hood of the car. I know we were really only missing like this heat shield and the MAP intake, but I mean, it makes a huge difference. We did get some brakes and stuff ordered, as I had talked about in the last video, the grid light video, and I talked about in the video before that at the Proving Grounds video. So we've got rotors, we've got pads, we've got lines, and we got fluid going into this car. Hopefully tomorrow or Monday. So nonetheless, in next week's episode, you guys will be able to see us address the brakes and possibly even some suspension components like sway bars and end links as well. So stay tuned for next week's video when we go ahead and do that. And then the week following, we've got another big event that we're trying to make it out to. Could even all be in the same episode, who knows. Nonetheless, guys, we'll see you in the next one. If you guys like this kind of content from us, be sure to subscribe for future videos just like this one. And if you like this video of us installing the new heat shield and in this getting our MAP intake back on, be sure to give us a big thumbs up because it does help us out. If you guys are interested in getting this heat shield for your Evo 10, check out the link down below because there's a section on that page where you can register to be the first people to get notified when this goes into stock so that you can get it before it's sold out. We expect this to sell really fast. So make sure that you go ahead, click that link down below and register to be notified if you're interested in getting it. Otherwise, guys, leave us your comments down below on what you thought of this video. Otherwise, we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.